Haribo, let's see them. Jai Shri Gurudev. Wow, look at that. First book, New Braj.
1997.
Okay, next one.
So much Harikata. Malaysia, 1998. France, 1998. United Kingdom, 1997. New York, 1996. Volume 10, Volume 15, Volume 25. It's 27 volumes so far, printed.
We have about 15 more coming in the next few months.
Volume 6, LA, 1996. Australia, 97.
Jai.
This one's probably like the biggest one, 330 pages.
This is every lecture Srila Gurudev spoke in all these different places on his world tours. Every recorded lecture we've transcribed and published. So we're building Srila Gurudev's Vani Mandir, temple of his transcendental teachings, where we can come together and come closer to Sri Radha Krishna and their loving service. Swami Prabhupada spoke about one of the purposes of ISKCON being to come closer together to the Supreme, the Absolute Truth, Sri Krishna. And so we are doing that service by publishing these books of Srila Gurudev. See that? Try. Haribol.
These are all different volumes too. There's no duplicates here.
Jai.
This is over 27 books, and there's up to 42 so far done, almost printed. Costa Rica, Australia, San Francisco, Bali, West Coast, Texas, 96. So much Harikata. Gurudev spoke so much Harikata.
It's all so amazing, so transcendental. We recommend everybody get a copy of these books, help build the Vani Mandir of Srila Gurudev in all these different homes and places around the world. These are the 6 Goswamis. There's also Harikata from Guru and Vaishnavas. Very beautiful books. Srila Sanatana Goswami, Srila Jiva Goswami. Jai, who else is here? Oh, this is very beautiful Harikatha, Divine Nectar of Sri Govinda Lila. Harikatha based on Sri Govinda Lila Amrita. Jai.
Kingdom, Volume 3. Lectures and darshans.
Let's read the back quote. You should think, what is the aim and object of our life, of our sadhan? Our whole energy should be spent on this, and not a single moment should be spent on these secondary things. This is called surrender to Krishna. Haribo. Jai.
Wow.
Engage your mind, your tongue, your speech, and all your senses in Krishna consciousness. This is the best way. Always chant Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Remember Hare Krishna, and all the glories of Krishna and the Vaishnavas. With your speech, always speak something good. Only Harikatha or doing Kirtan. With these hands, always be engaged in Krishna's service. You should engage all our senses like Ambarish Maharaj. Haribo. Gurudev in Singapore. Gurudev in New Braj 96. Look how happy, look how beautiful. remember that moment.
He first came there.
One name of Krishna can give everything. Then why do we chant his name so many times? Why? To have that prem. Haribo. Srila Gopal Bhatta Goswami. Who else do we have here? And Singapore 1998. So these are some of the books we've published. We have more books as well. And we're taking all these books on Srila Gurudeva Vani Mandir tour, traveling everywhere, spreading the books of our beloved Bhakta Bandhav Srila Gurudev. Hari Hari Bo Jai. Srila Bhaktivedanta Narayan Swami Maharaj Srila Gurudeva Ki Jai. Gaur Premanandi Hari Hari Bo.